Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Flex Turbo against the Metabo 36V tools. Alright, for this one you got a 5 amp hour battery, full charge, 24 volts. This is a 24 volt tool. This is the Flex, the brushless. This is the Turbo. It does have the turbo mode on. So it says right there, turbo mode. So we got a full battery on this one. This one we got, this is the Metabo 36 volts. We got a 2.5 amp hour battery. This is 36 volt tool, as it says right there. Now we're going to be running this on drilling mode high. Going to be running on drilling, second speed, turbo mode. We're going to start with the Flex, and then we're going to go from there. And we got the Metabo HPT 36 volts. 1, 2, 3, go. This is a 3/4 inch auger bit. It's a pretty big bit. I'm going to do a hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. This is a 1 inch. Do a hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, for our last test of the day, this is the ultimate test. This is a really big lag, little too much for these tools, but I'm pretty sure they're able to do it. This is a 1/2 inch by 4 inch lag. This is a Makita 3/4 inch socket. We're going to start with the Flex Turbo. Turbo on. One, two, three, go. Yeah, this thing's already history. Alright, we got another one fresh out of the package. Alright, we got the next one. We're going to drop it down to speed 1 or speed low. One, two, three, go. Alright, so it's in. We're going to take this off. 1, 2, 3, go. Let me know what you guys think. These things are beasts, both of them. Just for the here. 96, 99, 90. 93, 89, 100, 100, 99. All right, 90, 97. 102, 101, 107, 108, 109, 112. Just let me know what you guys think. Would you keep any of these? Would you want to see these against other tools? What tools brand do you want to see this against? I do like both of these tools. I own both of these. I own this one for quite a few months already. I used it a few times. This one's brand new to me, obviously, but yeah, but I like both of these. to me, they're, you know, they're nice tools. You know, they do have some, like this one has the turbo, really nice features. Let me know that in the comment section. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.